In this video, we're going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic Lunc right now, currently making a breakout of this triangle. Now, we know when we come from the top and we decrease and we enter a symmetrical triangle, we usually continue towards the downside. The question is will Terra Luna Lunc come back and make a pump, or are we going to essentially continue down? So, of course, guys, in today's video, we're obviously going to be having a look at Terra Luna Classic Lunc, currently ranked 31, traded under 30, 28.77, down 2%. In the past 24 hours. We got a market cap of $1.7 billion, so we haven't been moving. I mean, you guys can see in the charts, we've been consolidating, right? We've been going sideways for quite some time. Ever since, or for a few days, for almost a week, 6 days, we've been going sideways. Nothing has been happening. And of course, guys, the volume has been decreasing, down 30% in the past 24 hours, $579 million worth of volume. And of course, the volume to market cap is currently sitting at 32%. So 32% of market cap is currently being traded. And of course, we're also going to be having a look at Lunc Penguin. We're going to be having a look at the top burners, staking, and whatnot, all the things that's been happening, all the good news, and FOMC meeting. So, having a look at Luna Classic real quick, where can we be going? Well, we do have a decrease of volume happening right now. Now, we know when we have a decrease of volume, we usually know that a big move is coming. We saw it happening right here. Decrease of volume, exploded. Decrease of volume, exploded. Every time we have a decrease of volume, we usually explode. The big question is what will happen today at FOMC? Are we going to pump? Will they raise interest rate? So right here, FOMC meeting September 22 live. Fed may hike rates up to 4.5%. Guys, that is very, very, very high, and that could cause a huge panic in the risky asset market, such as gold, Bitcoin, and stocks. Of course, the Dixie is going up. As you guys can see on the right side of my screen right now, the Dixie has been going up. We know when the US dollar index goes up, risky assets such as Bitcoin, altcoin, stock markets goes down. And this is exactly what is happening right now. So right now on the right side of my screen, the market is looking a little bit shaky. People don't really know what to do. People are long, people are short. This is why I said it in my Signal group. If you guys are in my Signal channel, I mentioned that I will not be taking any position opens until the FOMC meeting, and the reason why that is because I don't want to gamble. I don't want you guys to lose money essentially. So this is exactly what is happening right now. Now the target for this area right here should be the pole of this of the top, but of course we can, it's obviously not going to reach because that would be negative, right? So what we can do is we could take the top of the symmetrical triangle and then put it at the breakout. Now our target should be 21. 21 is sitting exactly at this area right here, exactly at the support. So can we come back down and retest 21? Very possible. If we do break below 21, I think that will be the end for Terra Luna Classic. But of course, this is not yet over. There's still a strong community behind Terra Luna, and that's all that matters. I mean, other than utility, other than kwon, doesn't matter. Roadmaps don't matter. Utility, I mean, community is really what makes a project thrive essentially. And of course, guys, if you like these daily cryptocurrency updates on Terra Luna, Bitcoin, FOMC, and whatnot, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and let's continue. Having a look at Lunc Penguin HODL tracker real quick, we know that this right here is circulating supply. So circulating supply unofficial has been decreasing. So right here we were sitting at 6.5 trillion. And now we're currently sitting at 5.8 trillion. So we actually have been decreasing, which is very fantastic. Almost 1 trillion. The circulating supply of Terra Luna Classic decreased almost 1 trillion tokens. That is insane. And of course, guys, there's a lot of burning that's been happening and a lot of staking that's been happening, which we're going to get in just a second. But the lunatic tokens right here have been they've been burning. They implemented the burn officially today, a few hours ago. The 1.2% burn has officially been implemented on chain, guys. On chain, remember that, not off chain, not on exchanges, not on Binance, on chain. Yes, crypto.com will be supporting the 1.2% burn, and I believe a few other exchanges will be doing it. But as of right now, MEXC did a fantastic job. $1 billion or 1 billion Lunc essentially burnt, and that's about it. That's amazing. Having a look at the staking pool, I mean, look at this, guys. The staking has been exploding. Look at that. I mean, we were just consolidating a little bit, having a nice little uptrend very smoothly, and then all of a sudden we just took off. So we jumped from literally 581 staked to 632 staked. That is an insane amount of tokens. Almost 1 trillion tokens have been staked. which is roughly 10.28% of the circling supply. So things are looking very, very good, guys, right now for Terra Luna Lunc. It is only the beginning, in my opinion. We're gonna have to see where this goes. The charts are looking not good, obviously, but because that's because of the FOMC. But guys, we know that Terra Luna Classic hasn't been following Bitcoin and the stock market. We know every time Bitcoin dumps, Luna pumps, and when Luna dumps, Bitcoin pumps. So it's a sort of a anti-correlation that's been going on over here. And of course, if we look at the stochastic RSI, it seems like we want to move up. It seems like we want to have that nice little explosive move that we had right here. So if we go right here on the charts on August 19, we had a crazy explosive 620% move. The question is can we have that explosive move right here again? Very, very possible. And if we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, looking at the EMA ribbon, guys, we are still and keep on getting rejected by the exponential moving average. I mean, things aren't looking so great. We just can't seem to go above it. I don't know why. But right here, we got rejected once. We got rejected twice. We got rejected 3 times. And of course, earlier today, 4 times. When are we going to break above these exponential moving average? I don't know. But if we do break above and have a closure, guys, closure, not just wick. We saw a few fake outs right here, 2 in fact, and another one, short one right here, 3, and then 4, 1 right here, and even a 5th one right here. The question is can we close above? Not just wick. If we do close a 4-hour candle above these EMA ribbons right here, that would be a very bullish sign for Terra Luna Classic Lunc. But of course, we are not there yet. Having a look on the 1-hour time frame, we have just been consolidating, bouncing between the up and the downside. Nothing too crazy, in my opinion. We're gonna have to see where this goes. Let's have a look at some of the moving averages real quick. So we are, of course, below the 200 moving average, which is a very important indicator. Every time we're above the 200 moving average, we're bullish. Every time we're below, we're essentially bearish. Having a look on the 4-hour time frame, big question is can we come back to as low and retest the 200 moving average right here? Very possible. It is sitting at 24. If we do go below the 200 moving average, that could be bad news bears. And of course, we could have a death cross right here. This would essentially be a death cross. A death cross is when you have the 50 moving average crossing over the 200. But of course, we are not there yet. I think we should have a few more days. And if this keeps coming down very hard, then the death cross can come very soon. Or we could have a, no, we already had a golden cross right here. This was the golden cross, guys. Look, ever since we had that golden cross, we essentially exploded. So of course, moving average, stochastic RSI, they all add up, and you guys should all use it to your trading. Now, of course, guys, the last thing that I want to have a look at is the trend is your friend. Okay, the trend is really like this if you count the wicks. If you don't count the wicks, having a look at one last thing, guys, is the support. Now, we know the trend is your friend until it bends, right? We had one support right here. This was the first rejection, of course. Another one right here, and we broke right here. But of course, if you want to count the wicks, you could actually bring this all the way down, and then this would be a wick, and then we would still be inside the trend. But if we count the bodies, which is what really most of the traders do, because that's when there's the most confirmation, like I said with the EMA ribbon, we are actually below the trend line, which is currently sitting right here. And of course, we know when we have a breakout, we usually come back, retest before exploding downwards. Now we know every time we have a breakdown or a breakout, we usually come back or come back up or come back down, retest a support or resistance, and then get rejected again. And this is exactly what is happening right now. Now, the 4-hour time frame does end in 1 hour and 20 minutes. The FOMC will be coming tonight. I will be going live today, guys, so make sure you turn on the notification bells on, because we're going to expect a lot of movement in Bitcoin, in Luna, in the whole crypto and financial assets, such as the stock market as well. So it's going to be very interesting day today if they do raise interest rate to 4.5%. Of course, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys later in my life today. Peace out, stay safe, don't be over leveraged, and thank you for watching.